Hey guys, it's Mike and Brandon.
We're the JunkHunks.
And today we're going to show you how to make these pumpkins.
The cool thing about these is it requires no tools.
No sew, nothing. All you need is a few supplies, a couple pieces of wood, and the best part is they're made out of pillows and purses.
Let's get started!
Here's the things you'll need. We just went to the thrift store. We bought some purses. They ran, about $1, $1.50. You do get some weird looks when you're a guy buying a purse. And there you have it, a pumpkin made from a purse for about $2. Bam!